Good morning, everybody. Here to wash out another tie-dye. We've got our watermelon yoke. It just never ends. It keeps going forever. It never stops. We got our watermelon yoke out here. We're gonna get it rinsed out. Sorry if there's any wind noise, people. It is kind of windy. You don't have the sock on it. Getting it good and sprayed down. Sorry if we're kind of quiet today, people. It's rather cold outside. It's nice and early in the morning. To the inside.
I really like the way the colors came out in this one.
I do too. I was thinking that scarlet might have been a little too deep of a red. I didn't say anything, but I was kind of thinking that in the back of my head, but it's starting to look like scarlet might have been the perfect choice.
And now that does look perfect.
Granny apple is definitely the perfect green. I can't think of a much better green.
At least that we have.
Yeah.
The Kelly green would have been too dark.
For sure.
Lime green would have been too neon.
Yep. Oh my God. Ooh. Melon yolk. Cool.
Watermelon.
Look at that. Once we put our black spots on that, it's gonna look perfect. Oh man.
Watermelon.
Nice. And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow. So this one turned out really, really good. This is our watermelon yoke. And I'll be honest, I thought scarlet was gonna be a little too red, but it actually turned out perfect. Look at that, it doesn't get any better than that. All the way from one side to the other. The granny apple on the bottom is like the perfect melon color. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but in real life it's like the perfect green. We have thought about going back and drawing on some seeds on here, and we still might. If so, I'll show you all what that looks like. Let us know in the comments below if you think that's a good idea or not. And generally just let us know what you think in the comments below. But yeah, I'm really impressed with this one. I'm glad it came out so good. Definitely going to be making more of these. We've shown this to a couple people locally, and it's in very hot demand around here. But yeah, let us know what you think. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.